Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. All right, so it's fall. The leaves are falling or have fallen. Leaves are such a valuable resource. It would be a shame to waste them. So in this video, we're going to make an easy leaf mold or leaf compost. However you say it, it's all the same. So you may be thinking, why should I save these leaves? It has a huge impact on soil health. It improves soil structure. It's a habitat for soil life, including earthworms and beneficial bacteria. We like to run a lawnmower over our leaves. You don't have to. We do it because the smaller the leaves are, the faster they break down. While my husband and son were outdoors taking care of this part of the project, I was in the kitchen meal prepping for the week. All right, step number one, let's fill up this plastic bag with leaves. Now, leaves are basically carbon, so it takes them longer to break down as opposed to nitrogen-rich materials like grass clippings or food kitchen waste. Watering leaves inside a plastic bag can help activate decomposition. So water is a crucial element for the microorganisms that break down organic matter. This is one of those garden surprises that I was not expecting today. I had to grab it and give it a quick rinse. Delicious. Figs in November. Crazy. No rocket science here. We're simply sealing up the bags so that we can contain the leaves. After all of that hard work getting the leaves into the bag, we certainly don't want them falling out. I'm using my garden clippers. You can use a knife, scissors, just something sharp. I'm punching holes on the top, the sides, the bottom. Just get in there and make it happen. Don't get alarmed, it's everyday play and activity around here. Ta-da! Our work here is done. When will it be ready? It's going to take about a year or two, depending on the size of the leaves, moisture inside the bags. Location can also affect the timeline as to when it'll be ready for you. That's it, we did it. 3 simple steps. Step number 1, collect your leaves in your plastic bag. Fill up your bag, moisten the leaves. Step number 2, seal the bag, and don't forget to cut some holes in the bag for airflow. Airflow is important. Number 3, let it sit. And here's a pro tip. Check your bags every month or 2 for moisture, and add some water if the leaves are dry. And feel free to toss them around a little bit. Helps with airflow. That's it. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.